look at this promotional video.
Alright travelers, gather round. Meet the Blue Lizard Sensitive Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 50+. Imagine it as your skin's personal bouncer, blocking out harmful UVA and UVB rays, with a tough
How was it in a time such as today? Video creatives is the easiest way to promote any product you can create and share video ads on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to promote your product. And with the help of this AI, you can turn any product link into engaging promotional video ad with just blink of an eye in this video. I will discuss such an AI tool, so without further ado, let's get started. You are watching LearnIn Tech. So introducing JoggAI Video Ads Creator with this amazing AI video generator. You can convert URL to engaging video ads in minutes. You have just to follow only a couple of steps to create AI videos. Input the product, URL, select the avatar and templates, and get the final output. I will put the link in the description, just head over there. And then create an account. Once you are successfully logged in, your interface will be like this. Now we have to enter the product URL link in this box. At this moment, JoggAI supports platforms like Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, Shine, eBay, Apple App Store, Google Play, WordPress, Webflow, or any other custom URL. That means you can create your video ads for any product or any platform. That's great news for marketers today. I will create a video ads for this product from Amazon. It's basically a lifestyle or beauty product. If you are a TikTok or Instagram influencer, then this kind of product can bring success in a short time. Okay, copy the product link and then paste it into JoggAI. After entering the product link, hit the Analyze URL button. It will take some time to analyze the URL and collect information about the product. And here it is. You can see that JoggAI grabs all the information about the selected product first, the product name, then the product description, and here all the media files such as images or videos. If you want to add some other media files, you can upload them here. This time, I will use only the media provided by Amazon. Okay, now click on the next button. From here on the next page, we have to set the video settings. First is the aspect ratio set. The aspect ratio, according to your platform. I'm selecting 9116 this time. After that, the video length. At this moment, you can generate 15 seconds to 60-second long videos with JoggAI. Next, the target audience. It's optional, but I suggest using this to get personalized results that would increase your sales. As my product is a sunscreen product, I am typing traveler. Alright, after everything is set, hit the next button. Now JAI will generate scripts for us. You can see that it generates 4 scripts for 4 different tones and vibes. Now you have to choose one of them. Always select a script that will make the most impact according to your product. I will select this one. After selecting the script, hit the next button. Now it will take around 45 seconds to match the templates and avatar. We will able to customize them later. And here it is. Our video draft is ready. Let's have a look.
Alright travelers, gather round. Meet the Blue Lizard Sensitive Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 50+. Or bouncer, blocking out harmful UVA and UVB rays with a tough duo of zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. 30 minutes of water and sweat resistance. This sunscreen is like that one friend who can keep up with your beach volleyball. Irritating.
That's really amazing. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. If you are enjoying the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, now you can render the video or customize it to make it more engaging. First, the templates. Here, you will find a vast number of templates in different styles. You can see the preview by selecting any templates from here. So review some of them and then select the best fit for your video. Next, in the Avatar tab, you will find a vast number of realistic avatars in various styles, outfits and environment for both male and female characters. As my product is about sunscreen, so a female in the outdoors is the perfect fit for me, so I won't change my avatar. You should choose the best fit for your product. Next, in the Music tab, you can change the background music now. If you want to customize the media, then click on this Editing Media button. From here on the right side, you will find all the media files, and on the left side you will find the scenes with the script and media. Now you can customize all the media from here. For example, I want to use this file in the first scene. Just click on the media file and choose the one you want to use. You can customize the layout too. To that, select the scene you want to customize, and then click on Edit Layout. From here, you will find different layout options. Select the one you want to use after customizing the first scene. Come to the second scene, and in the same way customize the layout and media file. Do the same for all the scenes. Once the customization is completed, hit the Confirm button now before rendering the video. If you want to create multiple videos in different styles with the same script, then click on the plus icon from here, and here it is our duplicate video. Now you can customize the video and use different avatar scenarios in this method. You can create unlimited videos with the same script, alright? Once your videos are ready, hit the render video button and then hit the submit button. Now it will take some time to render the video. Let's first forward this part, and here it is. Our videos are ready, as I created 3 videos. You can see JoggAI generates 3 videos for us. Now you can download the video on your device, alright? Let's have a look at our videos.
Gather round. Meet the blue lizard sensitive mineral sunscreen, SPF 50+. Imagine it as your skin's personal bouncer, blocking out harmful UVA and UVB rays with a tough duo of zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. With 80 minutes of water and sweat resistance, this sunscreen is like that one friend who can keep up with your beach volleyball marathon or your scenic run without breaking a sweat. It's fragrance-free, paraben-free, and packed in a smart bottle that turns blue in UV light. A nifty reminder that it's time to lather up. Plus, it's reef-friendly, so you can protect both your skin and the ocean's delicate ecosystems. Trusted by dermatologists for over 20 years, this sunscreen is all about serious protection with a playful twist.
I think these are quite good quality videos and surely will increase the sales of the products, so now you can create this kind of professional video ad with JoggAI. Now an important question is JoggAI free to use? You will get 1 free credit to try the tool, which allows you to generate a maximum of 1 minute longer video, so you should try the tool for free. But if you are serious about creating high-quality promotional videos from product links, then you should try one of these membership plans. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with generating video ads from product links, so like the video and subscribe our channel LearnIn Tech. And if want to earning thousands of dollars from Amazon plus Pinterest affiliate marketing with 0 investment, so click here to watch this video. Or if you want to earn money from just Pinterest, so click to watch it, or for more videos, visit our channel. Bye.